When you're trying out your Edifier TWS NB2 Pro but the bud is not responding, not turning on, it won't power on no matter what. We understand your frustration. So in today's video, we'll suggest you some fixes that you can try to solve this problem. If your problem is one side is not turning on, sometimes while pairing, one side bud is left out. So what you can do is just put both the buds inside the charging case. Hard reset the buds by double press on this button on your charging case. You'll see a white flashing LED and then a green-white pairing mode flashing LED paired with the device. See if that solves your problem. If that's not your issue, your buds are still not turning on, there is a possibility the battery might be drained for long, especially the charging case. So put both the buds inside the charging case again and then charge the case and the buds simultaneously for at least a couple of hours. Once charged, your buds will easily turn on. Now if the charging case has charged but the buds are still not powered on, take the buds out. Now properly clean the pins and the connectors in the buds so the buds and the charging case can connect without any problem. If both of them are connected, has charged, your buds will power on. If it still doesn't, now we recommend you to connect Edifier customer support to see if that's a hardware issue or not. Hope you found this video helpful. See you at our next video.